everyone, it's Amanda and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very special video. This is Happy Mail that I got from another YouTuber. Her name is Cindy Matthews. She does have a YouTube channel, so I'll just tell everybody you gotta go over there, see her channel. She's just starting out, so show her some love. But anyway, she sent me this gorgeous item in here, and I wanted to share it with everybody. So I'm going to open it up, and inside there was a very nice note. This is what it looks like. It says thanks, and I won't read the inside of it. And then this is what she sent to me, and this is a handmade travel notebook, and it's just absolutely delightfully gorgeous. So I wanted to I have not seen the inside, so I kind of wanted to do that with all of you. So I'm going to bring the camera in just a little bit so we can get some better details, and then we'll dig in. Okay, so first of all, it is really nice, like a vintagey pattern paper, and this is a candelabra on this tab, and it looks almost like a Halloween line that I've had some paper on. And then there's looks like a snowflake, or a doily, I'm sorry. I'm going to untie this ribbon. It's very pretty ribbon. This looks like it's glued down or decoupaged, or it's got texture to it, so I'm not sure how that's affixed, but it's really nice. And then there's this little embellishment here that says free, and a nice little butterfly, and this is metallic. How cute is that? It's kind of sparkly and everything. So then let's open it up. On each side there's ribbon glued to the front and to the back, so that's a really nice touch. And on the inside, it just looks awesome. This is really cool. It reminds me a little bit of a junk journal and a travel notebook mixed together. So it's really pretty. We'll look through the first page here. It's got this paper flap here and some like snake skin or leather looking piece there. A little pocket with a couple of tags, and those are nice. Everything looks to be inked on the edges. There's a little pocket over here. How cute. Put pictures in here, journal in here. I'm going to fold that back in. I love this paper. This is really cool paper. And then we'll just go through the pages. Nice stamp. I've always wanted to do a junk journal, and I just haven't been, I just haven't done it. But look, you can see the stitching here on the spine. It's really nice. A little stamp there, and another pocket with a tag. Some stenciling on both sides, and then a little bit of legal paper, legal pad. Cute. And then we've got another little tag here. I love stuff like this. I just think it's so amazingly cute. You know, it's just so cute. Oh look, and a part of an envelope. I could do so much with this. I'm just not sure what I'm going to do with it, what trip I'm going to use it for, but I am going to use it. It's just lovely. And that's like a little coffee or tea. The other side of that paper, oh no, that's another paper. That's cute. Oh, this kind of has like a grid look to it. That's nice. Washi tape. We've got another tip in or flap. Ooh, I like this paper too. That's really cool. And then here is the tie from the binding. Another glassine envelope with a couple of tags. And then we flip over. Washi tape. This is really cool. Index card. That paper. More like coffee rings. Ooh, I like this one. I love this. And a little tag there. Look, it's a pocket with more tags. I love this. These are great to journal on. I'll stick them back in here. Very cool. Newsprint paper. Oh, that's interesting. If you can see through that, that's really cool. There's the stenciling, both sides. And you know what? She said this is her very first one, and I never would be able to tell that because it just looks really well put together. Especially compared to some of the other junk journals I've seen out there. This one's very well made. So this one, little one, tips in again. Love that. And then it has a pocket with a couple of tags in here. There is so much room in this travel notebook to put journaling spots and to put pictures and memorabilia from any kind of trip. So I'm really looking forward to using this. I think it's so pretty. So anyway, I wanted to say thank you to Cindy for sending this my way. I love it. I think it's beautiful, and I really truly appreciate it. And I don't know, I'm just really touched. I think it's really nice. So anyway, I wanted to share this with everybody so that they could see this gorgeous junk journal. And you know, stop on over to Cindy's YouTube channel and show her some love. So thank you very much, and I will talk to you later. Bye guys.